Hey everybody, at Blackjack Frame Machines this afternoon we're working on a GMC Yukon. Got it up in our truck saddles. This one actually came from another shop that couldn't handle it. The customer pulled it from them and brought it to us. We got a 1-inch diamond out of the frame. Everything just about good to go, and then we found out that the radiator support mount needs to go backwards a little bit because the previous shop had over pulled it. So we've got a holding pull. Only with a Blackjack can you set up a ram bolted into our triple socket base right here, and it's going backwards pull with our deep body clamp on that mount, going through with the chain and then down to the bottom. So that pull is literally going through the suspension and up and through. About 5 minutes setup to make this pull, saving hours when things don't line up.